So hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today we're going to be doing the iPhone focus mode tutorial. So I did screen record my own tutorial here and I'm gonna guide you on how to use it. So focus mode on your iPhone is one of the best way to block distractions, stay productive, and control which notifications you get. So whether you're working, sleeping, or just need some peace, focus mode has your back. So let's dive in. So first things first, we're going to open your focus mode here. I screen recorded it. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. Then we're going to find focus mode right here, and we're just going to click that. Then after you click that, you will see like default option like do not disturb, sleep, personal, or work. You can set this up or make your own, but today we're going to click do not disturb right now. So before that, you're going to go to full status. Of course, you're just gonna on that, make sure that's on, and share the devices if you have multiple, iOS devices. Now you have do not disturb here, so you'll have like people, apps option, or like customize your screen if you want to customize your lock screen depending on your focus mode. That's pretty cool. So do not disturb. You're going to allow notifications from apps, or you can just allow from contacts. So I'm gonna pick someone here. So I'm gonna pick my significant, so I'm gonna put her there. So like when I'm doing a disturb, I'm still getting a notification from that person, but others I do not get notification from, or other apps. So I see there you can also have an app that you can silence from or allow notifications from. So I'm gonna allow like messages or text from specific apps. So I'm gonna allow messages from my SMS because that's more important than the other platforms. So that's pretty cool. Also, I can schedule my do not disturb. Let's say I want to sleep between 12, 11, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. or something like that. Or I can set it up on weekends or weekdays. It depends too. So that's very useful if you want to set up your work. So I see there you can I just said every day. I schedule to every day. Also, I have sleep focus, mute apps, or get like good sleep, good scheduler and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Or you want to turn on your alarm, so you have personal focus too, so you can just mute specific stuff, or you want to allow specific stuff, or you can smart activation a certain thing or certain device to turn it on, let's say your lamp or your lights. So that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna or customize your lock screen too. And we also have work here. When you're at work, you want to minimize social media, you want to not allow any notifications from that. Or you can also change your lock screen to be more corporate if you want that. Or if you want to create like your focus mode right here, you can pick whatever. So I pick gaming here. So my gaming focus mode is gonna turn on when I turn on my wireless controller. So when my wireless controller that I use on my iPhone, if that connects to my phone, my focus mode will turn on. So that means that if I configured my gaming mode, then I will not receive notifications from people or apps if I set it right. So that I see there, I have notification there because I don't have my DND on. So I see there it's on. So that's a good example right there. And also, yeah, it's really useful to have. So it's pretty cool. And also then after that, we're gonna turn it on right now. We're gonna figure out how to turn this on. So you're just going to scroll up here. I see here. That's my notifications. I'm gonna swipe up from here. So here's my focus mode. If I press this, do not disturb will turn on, or I can just hold it and select what I want. So if I want do not disturb personal work or sleep or gaming, so it depends on what I want. So I turn on do not disturb mode, and I'm not getting any notifications from someone. So that's pretty cool. So that means that I can screen record without get any notifications or any distraction. So if you want to switch from do not disturb, I can switch from personal work, sleep, or gaming. So that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, guys, that's how you can turn on focus mode. So that's my tutorial for you, and that's how you use focus mode on your iPhone to take back control of your time and mental space. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you use focus mode. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.